I'm gonna show you exactly how you could turn any product image into a video ad in less than 60 seconds. Let's get into it. Now, we are gonna head to Creatify AI, and you can get started with that first link down below in the description. Once I'm logged in, I am gonna click on AI video ads. You'll see here that I could just drop in my product URL, whether it's Amazon, Shopify, or anything else. Drop it in and it will analyze the URL and pull all the information and images for my product. Or if you want to add a product manually, you could do that as well. In this case, I'm going to drop in this URL and hit analyze URL. And just like that, it has pulled all this information for me, and I'm going to hit next. And just like that, it has pulled everything that I need from the name, the description, the images, so I could create winning ads. I'll go down here and click next. Now let's select which platform we want this for. We're going to use it on Instagram, and we're going to want it in a 9:16 aspect ratio. And the duration, actually, we want it to be around 15 seconds. Target audience in this case are going to be pregnant women and expecting mothers. Now let's hit next. And this is one of my favorite features with Creatify. The entire process can be done with AI, but if you want to customize anything along the way, you can. As you can see here, the AI has written a few scripts for us in different tones, and I could easily come in here and adjust and edit anything I like, or I could use my own script as well. In this case, I'm going to stick with this first one. I really like it. Let's hit next. And then from here, we could select an avatar, and there are a load of options here. In this case, I'm going to choose Daniela, and let's select this one and this one here. All right, let's hit next. This whole under a minute thing is. And just like that, I have 13 video ads that have been generated. I'm going to select a few of these that I want it to render and that we could use for ads. Let me select this one as well. So in a matter of less than 60 seconds, we got 5 video ads that include everything we need, from captions to audio to script to video to everything. And check this out.
Hey algorithm, show this video to anyone who loves a good night's sleep and comfort. If you're searching for a way to finally rest easy, the Sleepy Nest pillow is the solution that transforms.
If I need to make any adjustments or edits, I could do that as well by clicking here. But if I am ready to launch this, I can go to these 3 dots and click launch ad, and I can launch it on Meta, Accent, and TikTok, all within the platform. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And if you're ready to get started with Creatify, the first link in the description down below will get you started today. I'll see you in the next one.